For problem 2, I see that I've got a cumulative frequency graph, and it looks like the frequency goes between 0 and 120. I want to notice the highest value and make sure that you see where that graph actually stops. It stops right here at 120, even though the left-hand side, the y-axis, goes up to 130. The first thing I'm asked to do is write down the median age. Well, if there are 120 teachers, the middle value is going to occur at 60, halfway between 0 and 120. IB wants to see you draw exactly on the graph how you're finding that value. So you just go over from the 60th teacher and you find that the median age is 45. And I'm just going to write that down. The median age is 45. Then we're asked to find the interquartile range. So remember that the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So I need to find those two values. Q1 occurs halfway between the lowest value and the median, so that's going to be the 30th teacher. If I lined these teachers all up by age from lowest to highest, the 30th teacher would be at Q1. Again, I'm going to draw my line right on my graph, and that value is going to be 37. I'm going to find Q3. That's halfway between the middle value and the highest value, so halfway between 60 and 120 is 90. And it looks like that age corresponds with a value of 53. So the interquartile range is 53 minus 37, and the answer is 16. Make sure for that problem you show the work 53 minus 37. Don't just write down the value of 16, because if they can see your work, even if you picked the wrong number off the graph, you'll get partial credit. Now we're asked to make a box and whisker plot. So here are the things that we need to mark on the box and whisker plot. We need to mark the youngest teacher. That value occurs at 21. We need to mark the oldest teacher. That value occurs at 72. The median value we chose was 45. We know that Q1 was at 37. And we also know that Q3 occurred at 53. 1, 2, 3. We want to draw a box that highlights our interquartile range. And you can make a vertical line right through the median. Make sure that you do not make a horizontal line through the middle of your box. And then we just connect the whiskers, and we have a beautiful 100% correct box and whisker plot.